Hello students, in the last video we had studied some basics of Python coding, Python programming, and we had seen how to initialize variable and how to print those different types of variable. Now what we will see is next topic we'll discuss some global variable. Okay, so you all know what is a global variable. A global variable is used for an entire program. Okay, you can use it inside a function also, outside a function also. Okay, it visibility is to the entire program itself. Okay, local variable, what will happen is its scope and visibility will be only inside a function. That means it will stay and execute as long as it is in a function. But global variable is not like that. Global variable is visible and its scope stays as long as the program is there. So what we will do here is we'll make use of a variable x. Okay, and the value I'll give here is awesome. Okay, so you all know that in Python we are not going to declare variable. A variable is created as soon as you initialize it with some value. So what I've done here is x variable, I have given it a string value, and that is awesome. So what I'll do here is I will define a function, and how to define a function is you make use of a keyword def. Okay, give some function name. I'll write as my function. Okay, you can give any function name. Function name will be related to what task you are doing. If you are adding two numbers, then the function name can be add. If you are multiplying two numbers, the function name can be mul. So function names depends on what task you are doing. Okay, so every important statements like decision making statements, branching statements, functions, they all have to end with a colon in Python. Okay, so once you end a colon function with the Python, then when you press enter, immediately it will give a space like this. Okay, then what you will do here is we'll write a print statement. Okay, print Python is, sorry, it has become Python. Python is, okay, close the quote. Then make use of the output variable x by using the plus sign, and then you press parenthesis. Here the variable x and the text which you want to print is concatenated by using the plus sign. Okay, so we'll end the function here, and then we will call the function. Calling of the function is just by using the function name. Okay, just by using the function name and with the pair of parentheses. Okay, so the functions, you all know, function names usually have a pair of parentheses. So what has happened in this code or in this program is that I have used a global variable x, and this global variable is visible inside this my function. Okay, and it is visible. You can make use of global variables inside a function, and by calling this function you will get the output as Python is awesome. So first we will save this program, Control S. Okay, and for Control S, Python program folder I have created in desktop. Then I will name the file as 1. Okay, and save. So it will get saved as 1.py. Python programs usually have the file extension .py. Okay, so after you have saved this, just run the file. How to run the file? The shortcut key is F5. Okay, yes, here it is printed. What is it? Python is awesome. So in this way we can make use of global variables inside a function. And how to define a function is by using a keyword def and the function name followed by colon. Okay, once you have defined the function, next is you have to call the function. Once you call the function, its task, what it is there, that will be executed, and here the function task is to print Python is whatever the value is there in the output variable. Okay, so we'll take one more program here, Control N. So this will create us a new page. So here we will see that how global variable okay, global variable and local variable. Okay, so we'll be making use of both global as well as local variable. Okay, so x is equals to awesome. Okay, x is equals to awesome here. Okay, define a function def, function name my function, okay, end it with the colon and then press enter. So what I'll do here is, as this is a global variable, I'll make use of another local variable and I'll give the same name. Okay, I'll give the same variable name, x is equals to fantastic. Okay, x is equals to fantastic, close it. Okay, then I will write print double quotes Python is, okay, close the quotes, then plus x, okay, close the parenthesis. So this is the function definition, and here what has happened is x is local to this function. Okay, x is local to the function and this x is global to this program. Okay, so this x value which is there is only seen inside this function and it is not initialized or seen anywhere outside the function. So what I'll do here is I'll call the function name my function, okay, and then I'll make use of one more print statement, print double quotes Python is also double quotes comma plus x. Okay, so what will happen here is first you have declared a local variable and then you have written a print statement. After that we have called the function my function, then I have written one more print function, that is Python is also. Okay, so the preference when you are using global variable as well as local variables in your program, preference is given to the local variable. Okay, once the local variable is executed, then the cursor will go, or the control will go to the global variable. So let us see how to execute this. Control S, I'll name it as 2, enter, and then F5. So what is happening here? First it has printed what? Python is fantastic, and the second statement that is printed is Python is also awesome. Okay, so first preference is given to the local variable, second preference is given to the global variable. So you can make use of global variable and local variable at the same time in a program. Okay, then the next program we will do is making use of global keyword. Okay, we'll make use of a global keyword here. Okay, so what I'll do here is first I'll write the function name def my function colon quotes. Okay, then I'll use the keyword global and the x I will use here, saying that the x variable is of type global. Okay, is of data type global here. And then what I'll do is I will initialize x is equals to awesome. So what I've done here is as I have declared x as global, that is x will be visible to the entire program and not only to this function. Okay, so what will happen here is what you can do here is call the function my function. Okay, then later on print Python is double quotes and then plus x. Okay, plus x. Now what will happen is, although this x is inside a function, okay, as it is inside a function, it had to be visible only to this function, its scope will be only to this function, but as you have declared x as global, this x value is visible for the entire program. So when you call the function my function's task is to see that it prints this statement. So print Python is, then x value will be seen by the print function although x is inside a function. Why so? Because you have declared x as global. Okay, so as x is declared as global, it is seen by the entire program. If it was a local, if you could have written here x as if you could have not written this, then x could have considered as local only for this function. So let us see whether we'll get this output or not. Control S, okay, we'll name it as 3, enter, okay, F5. See, you can see the output. What is the output here? Python is awesome. Okay, you got the output because you have declared X as a global and it was visible outside also. Now if I remove the statement, that is global X, if I remove the statement, then this X is now considered as local. Okay, so X is considered as local means it is not visible outside this function. So although it is not visible outside the function, let us see what output it will give. Save the program, Ctrl S, okay, and then press F5. Yes, what you can see here, name X is not defined. It is saying an error that X is not defined. Why it is not defined? Because it is not seen. It is not seen outside. So it is important that if you all are using a variable inside a function, you have to declare it as global so that it is seen by the outside program also. If we use, now this is not visible, okay, if I use one global variable outside the program, X is equals to double quotes simple. If I write this outside the program, means obviously it is global, it is outside a function, so it is visible for the entire program. Okay, so what will happen here is, if I press Ctrl S and then F5, okay, you can see the output is here, Python is simple. Okay, as this was not visible, so immediately this variable which was there, it is seen by the entire program and you'll get the output as Python is simple. Okay, if you want Python is awesome to be printed, then obviously you have to write one more print statement here, print also, okay, just close the quotes, plus X. Okay, so what will happen here is this will get printed first. Okay, this will get printed first and this will be printed later. Why so? Because the local variable will be given the first preference and then the preference will be given to the global variable. Okay, so Ctrl S, F5. Okay, also awesome, this got printed first and the second statement got printed is Python is simple. Okay, so this was how you make use of the global variable as well as local variable and how to make use of those variables in the function. Okay, so hope you all have understood how to write function. It is very simple. Make use of the keyword def. Def is the short for define. Then whichever function name you want to give it. See that it is ending with parenthesis, pair of parenthesis. Then see that you close it with a colon. If you are not closing it a colon, then it will show you an error. Okay, then once you have defined a function, then you call that function, just the function name, no semicolon, no comma, nothing.